Hey, my name is Levi with the Steffen Group. We're here at Lunar Infusions in Whitley County, and we're going to show you a look around.
My name is Sarah Trombley, and I started Lunar Infusions Kombucha 8 years ago, and I scaled it up to use this commercial equipment. So we're here at the Lunar Infusions Kombucha Brewery, where we're going to be auctioning everything off. So behind me, I have my 55-gallon stainless steel fermenters. There's 13 of them. So these are originally made for the beer industry, but you could use it for other ferments like wine, cider, or kombucha. We also have some other tanks, like these are bright tanks. So there's 2 of these, and we've got 2 of these shorter fermenting tanks as well. And back here, I have my kettle. So every batch of tea that I made out of this. But yeah, this will be for sale too. So I have other commercial equipment as well. So we have a 3-bay commercial sink. I also have this really nice ice machine, this really nice deep freeze. So if you want more commercial kitchen equipment, I've got lots of stuff.
We're excited to partner with Sarah as she closes out this chapter in her life. In addition to all the brewing equipment that she mentioned, there's also lots of great custom woodwork. The auction is going to be online, where you can bid anytime from December 14th through the 21st at steffengrp.com. And don't forget that the real estate is also available for your next business venture.